Good morning, guys. We are at Spruce Provincial Park, and today we are going hiking. So last week we went to Tulabi Falls.
No, we did not.
And we got a new GoPro, and can't wait to use this. I don't know how it will turn out, so hopefully this will work. And look at that.
Yay! I'm vlogging too.
Hi, say hi.
I can see. Hi, this is my sister Nicole.
Okay, we're gonna start with our picnic lunch as usual. It's last week, but the difference is we got sisig some fun somewhere else in Heavenly, and we got some beef and broccoli. So pretty much the same thing as last week, but we're gonna give this a taste. Sisig first, boys. The good thing about this sisig is it's crispy and doesn't get soggy. It just stays crispy and crunchy. It's just so satisfying. And then we got some beef and broccoli. Not bad. And barbecue.
Adobo tsaka beef with broccoli.
Satisfying, guys. This is what I eat at a picnic. We're at the marsh lake of Spruce Wood Provincial Park, and we are going to go kayak. So, not bad weather here, but it's a little bit hot. Say hi.
Hi. I'm gonna watch this.
Okay. So, yeah, let's have fun some kayaking. Yo guys, we're at kayaking right there once again, and we are with Jody and Kareen's channel. And look at that view. It's kind of dirty, the water. There's like seaweed in there. Kind of nervous we might fall. And look at that view. Hey guys, just done kayaking. I fell on my feet again, but at least my whole body wasn't on the water, just my feet. And I got dirt all over me, especially my hands. But right now we're hiking, take some exercise. What a great day to hike. And keep in mind, watch out for the poison ivies. And hopefully I don't get poisoned and itchy on my body. And yeah, look at that.
Take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh.
Just done kayaking, and we're going to Spirit Sands now. And when we were back there, it was not that bad, like not really hot. But when we're at Spirit Sands right now, I can feel the heat here. Well, they said there's a desert here, Well, let's see if they're wrong. Bro, hiking to the trail with sand. That's what desert looks like. Oh my god. Spirit sand with spruce trees in there. And look at that, I'm sweating so bad.
Yes, we are after this. Not have more than one night.
I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Wow, look, we're on the top of a mountain here. Look at that view of the spruce tree. I feel like I'm on top of the world here. Look at that. It's worth the hike. I know it's kind of tiring to hike all the way up here, but it's worth it. This is what the desert looks like. All right, we're done spirit sand hiking, and where are we going next, Ateria?
Swimming and ice cream.
Yes, swimming and ice cream. So just so you know, the sand, it's actually natural, not man-made, just so you know. And see you guys in ice cream.
Drive, take a drive.
Yo, I'm sweating, so we got some ice cream. I got blueberry flurry. I got vanilla and blueberry together.
Can I show them what I got?
Yeah.
I got a bubble gum, a small, in a cup.
Yeah.
It has actual bubble gum pieces in it.
All right, we're gonna give this a taste. Pretty nice. It tastes that sweet blueberry and then vanilla in there. Wow, what a refreshing day. So guys, we're back home. We're gonna have 5 guys now. So today was a pretty good day at Spruce Wood National Park or Provincial Park, whatever it's called. So basically we went to Marsh Lake and Spirit Sands in Manitoba.
Hey!
So in Marsh Lake you can go kayaking, not bad kayaking, and then on Spirit Sand you can go hiking on a trail.
We were
And-
so sweaty.
Yeah, so sweaty.
I got sweaty beads.
And there's deserts in Manitoba, just so you know. But it's also called the sand dunes. So you didn't know there's desert in Canada. People think that there's no desert, but there is, since it snows a lot. And then got some stop on the ice cream. Pretty good ice cream there. So yeah. And there's a lot of places to hike in Spruce Wood National Park. A lot of places. Recommend going to the Spirit Sands one. Keep in mind, get a lot of water, drink a lot, and watch out for poison ivy and mosquitoes. But anyway, guys, if you do enjoy the video, leave a like, hit that subscribe button, share, and comment for any suggestions. And guys, this is JDizzEats, and see you guys next video. Bye!